Big, really? Why? Why didn't it? Freaking why? Why hydraulic? New expansion where the former Target at Square One Shopping Center in downtown Mississauga. Did not expect to be a hydraulic in here. I thought it would be traction something. Really? Why? I thought it would be Schindler 3300 or Schindler 5500. But now you put in the hydraulic. Oh man. What do you expect? What do you expect from that? £4,000, of course. Why would you put the hydraulic? Cavio. Really expecting to be a traction MRL traction elevator, but now you put on hydraulic in this one. Really? Really putting hydraulic 330A in this one? I expect it to be a traction elevator. 5500 or something. New expansion where the former Target Zellers is. £4,000. Really put this Schindler 3300 on these. Look outside. Finally got to see all of that. Sheraton College there. Limcombe Condo. City Hall's over there. That's it.